Viewers, you are welcome to my channel. I'm Tutor Patrick Divine. Okay, so we have this question under functions. Okay, so these are the functions that we are given here. All right, so we are told that we should find f inverse of x. How do you find f inverse of x? Okay, so the way we do it, we get this same f inverse of x like that is equal to, this is the function of f of x. Okay, so this is the function of f of x. We get it like that. Okay, so we get 2x plus 1. That is the function of f of x. From here, replace f of x, f inverse of x, with what? With y. Okay, so then it's going to be 2x plus 1. From here now, make x the subject of the formula. So make x the subject of the formula, meaning that we are going to leave 2x alone. Okay, so we are going to leave 2x alone. We are going to try to get this one to the other side of where y is. So it is going to be y. Okay, it is going to be y minus 1 is equal to 2x, like that. All right, so now here we are looking for what? We are looking for x. So to get rid of x, we divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. Then we have x is equal to y minus 1 over 2. Now, finally, what we do is this x, replace it with this part here. The same function, which is this one. That is what we do. So mean that it is going to be what? F inverse of x is equal to, now y changes to x. Okay, so y changes to what? To x. Y changes to x, so it becomes x minus 1 over 2. So that is how you can find the value of f inverse of x. Okay, so that is how you can find it. Okay, so now let's find these other things. Let's find question 2. So now question 2 is saying that we should find f of g of f of g of x, f of g of x. So this is actually a composite function. What they mean is we get the function of what? Of f. Then in the function of f, we should insert, where there is x, we should replace x with the function of what? The function of g. That is what they are saying. They said we should get the function of what? The function of f. Okay, and where there is g, where there is x in the function of f, we should put what? The function of g. That is what they mean. So now we are going to get, so if we are going to say f of g of what? Of x, like that, is equal to, you get this function, which is 2, then where there is x here, we put this function. Okay, where there is x here, we put this function. So where there is x here, we put 3x minus 5 over 2. Okay, so this is what we mean. Then there's plus what? Plus 1 here. There's plus 1, like that. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to do. So now you can continue solving this. So this is going to be 2 multiplied by everything that is inside. So that is going to be 2 times 6, 2 times 3, that is going to be 6x minus 2 times 5, that is going to be what? 10, like that, over what? Over 2. Then there's plus 1 here. You know that this is actually a fraction where you can look for a common denominator, which is 2. Then 2 into 2, that's 1. 1 times 6x minus 10 is going to be 6x minus 10. Then there's plus here. So we say 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, so we can actually solve it like this. So this is just negative 8, negative 10 plus 2. These are like terms. So it will be negative what? Negative 8 over 2. So this is f g of x. We have found the answer. So this is supposed to be the answer. Alright. So now we come to C. Okay? We come to C. So what they're saying is that see fg of 4, fg of 4, this is what we are supposed to find. Now fg of 4, they mean that where there is 4 in this function here, in this function, where there is what? There is x. Where there is x, we should put what? We should put 4. That's what they mean. Where there is x, we should put 4. Because if you look at this, it is just the same as this, but there is just 4 here. So mean that we are going to put 4 here, like that, then we solve the function. Okay, so now, so we are going to say f g of what? Of 4, like that, is equal to, this is 6x, so 6 multiplied by what? 4, we are going to get 4, put 4 here, like that, then there is minus 8. So this 6 times 4, 6 times 4, it's what? It is 24. 24 minus 8, like that, then there is over what? There is over 2. What is 24 minus 8? What is 24 minus 8? So to make it simple, just do 24 like that, minus 24. Okay, so can do 24 minus 8. Simple mathematics like this. So you get 1 from here, so that's 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, that is 5. Okay, that is 5, then 1, that is 15. So meaning that here we have what? We have 15 up over 2. So you can either leave it like this, or you put 2 into 15. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. Thank you.